Hello all, welcome all to our channel once again. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make sweet corn masala. So this will be very crunchy and crispy in nature, and it will fall under the category of starters. And though it is not so stomach filling starter, but it will give you very good what you can say, like very good taste for this starters category. So before getting to the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button to on your notifications. So here, first of all, I've taken a sweet corn. So make sure it will be fresh sweet corn. And as the quantity will turn to be very less after the outcome of the quantity, so I suggest you to go with the 2 or 3 whenever you are planning to do this. So like this, we will be separating the seeds from the sweet corn. Then after, keep a vessel on the stove with the water. So let the water get boil. So once it's get started boiling, we will be putting all this sweet corn seeds into it and allow it to boil only 5 minutes. Like we have to ensure it will half cook, because further we will be having frying process also, so that it has to be cooked half only. So like this, once you notice it's half cooked, just cut off the flame and don't leave it in the water itself. Please take it out, strain it out, and put it in another bowl for come to the room temperature. So it will take another 10 to 15 minutes time to come down to the room temperature. Then once it is done, we will go ahead mixing with the masalas. Like initially I'm adding corn flour here, 3 to 4 tablespoons as per this corn quantity, and also adding red chili powder to the taste. And then I'm adding salt here. So as I always mention, for the deep fries, try to add always a half spoon of zira powder. It will help in digestion. So give a good mix, and no need to add any water to this. Uh, the corn seeds will have already the moisture, so no need to add any water further to this. Just make sure this mix will touch with all the corn seeds. Mix well with all the corn seeds. So once you mix this, you have to keep it in fridge temperature for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. That will allow you to give more crispiness to this corn. So once it is done, take it out. Now all that we require is we have to just fry this corn. So here you can see I have taken a kadai and I'm heating up the oil. Once it ready, you can go ahead with frying this sweet corn. So make sure you'll keep the flame in the medium flame, because the corn yet to get cooked. Actually, we have made it a half cook only. So we have to make sure it will cook completely in this deep fry process. So it will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes in each batch. So make them deep fry till it will turn into golden brown. So once you see that golden brown is ready, once you feel all these are fried into golden brown, then you can strain it out slowly. So that's it. This is very simple process. So you can give all can give a trial. So hope this video is useful to you all, and please give a trial. And those who already tried it, don't forget to mention your comments and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell button to on your notifications. If you like this video, please share with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching.